In this video I show you an unboxing of a Bluetooth 5.0 adapter for the computer. Savio or Savio, I'm not sure, BT050 Bluetooth 5.0 USB dongle. This will enable your computer to have Bluetooth devices connected to it. It's only USB 2.0, but that's because Bluetooth is slow anyway. Most important here is the low energy profile, so you can connect many devices, multiple types of devices. Some specifications: the maximum data transmission speed is 3 mega per second. That doesn't seem like much, but through Bluetooth you really don't need to transfer a lot of data. And okay, maybe if you listen to music, maybe you need that, but in my case here I use this for a keyboard. Basically the DaVinci Resolve speed editor, I use this to connect the speed editor to the computer. It works perfectly.
What?
Yeah, that's a CD. Thankfully I didn't have to use the CD. I plugged it in, Windows 11 recognized it without any issues. I guess the CD is really just in case if you are not connected to the internet, and or for Linux, I'm not sure. But on Windows 11 and I believe Windows 10 also, it works plug and play. I didn't really have to follow all the steps here to install the software or anything, but on Windows 11 you just click on the speaker icon and you will see the whole devices and even the option to disable or enable Bluetooth. So that's really nice and convenient. The Bluetooth dongle is really tiny, as it should be, and I guess it could be even smaller, but really it's fine. Savio or Savio, made in Poland, I believe. Good for them. Bluetooth 5.0, and it really works. I'm sure it's nothing special or anything, but the price was really pretty good, and it has a blue light on it, so you know if it works. And the shape is really nothing special. The biggest problem with these Bluetooth adapters is that not all devices are compatible with them, and I had an issue with the Bluetooth 4.0 before, and that's why I bought this one. And you might have a device that doesn't work in one adapter and it works in another. So yeah, this is something to look at. They are not expensive, so it's really worth it to try a few and see which one works with your device. Thanks for watching.